Okay, we're still doing long division. We're going to look at one more example of this. So this time we're going to have, for example, 2, 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 7, and we're going to divide that by x squared minus x minus 2. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to rewrite it, but when we rewrite, sometimes we're going to be missing either terms in the thing we're dividing by, the divisor, or the dividend. And if you look here, we have an x cubed, we have an x squared, but we are missing the x term. So when we rewrite this, we're going to fill in a 0 where anything is missing in the problem so that we can actually account for the missing terms. So when I rewrite it, I'm going to have x squared minus x minus 2. That I'm going to divide into 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 0x, because I want to fill in that space for the missing term. If you have more than one missing term, you're going to fill in more than one 0 in the problem. And then you do it just like we did on the first example. I have a 1 here, I need to get a 4, so I have to multiply by 4. And I'm missing, I have 2 x's, I need 3, I'm missing 1 x. So I need to have an x here. And now I'm going to go through and do my multiplication. So I have to take 4x times 1x squared minus x minus 2. And I distribute the 4x to all of these. I'd end up again just like the first example. I should get the first term if I'm doing things correctly. 4 times -1 is -4, and an x is x squared. 4 times -2 is -8, and I have 1x out here. I change all the signs, and then I'm going to add down, because we're subtracting after we get that. The first term goes away. I have 7x squared plus 8x. I copy down the next term, and then I do it all over again. I say, okay, 1 times what gives me 7? Well, it's positive 7. And I don't need any x's because it matches. So now I have to take 7, which is what I wrote up here, times all of the terms 1x squared minus x minus 2. I multiply, get 7x squared. 7 times -1 is -7x. And 7 times -2 is -14. I change all the signs because I'm subtracting. And then I add down. The first terms go away. I have 15x. I have plus 7 when I do -7 plus 14. And just like the first example, we're going to do plus our leftover term. And it's leftover because I have no more terms to bring down, so there's no other way I can divide. Plus 7 all over the term that they gave us to divide by, which is x squared minus x minus 2. And that's our answer doing long division.